Spoiler alert, ground is green, guys. Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie, this is the Odyssey Life Workshop, and I'm always glad you're here. Today, unfortunately, we're not going to be working on our carburetor. We didn't get our jetting kit in the mail yet. Apparently the engineers are still working on it. So in the meantime, we're going to be installing this really nifty set of KC lights today. I'm really excited about these. We did pick up another sponsor, but I didn't get a commercial from them yet, or how they'd like me to introduce them to you. So, but they did give me a go-ahead to install the lights. I've been sitting on these lights for over a month. It's been killing me to install them. I actually jumped the gun and went ahead and when I was getting the specs and everything to get these lights ordered up, I took the stock lights off. We're not going to have to modify any of the wiring harness on this machine to get these lights. We're going to modify the plugs on the lights, and we're going to have it hooked up to where we're still going to be able to access the on and off switch on the steering wheel. They're only one level of brightness, which is bright as heck, so we'll just hook them into the low and everything will be fine. If you like Fl350 content or Honda Odyssey content, because we got some exciting things coming up, so if Honda Odyssey content is something that you like and you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me how cool you think these lights are going to be, because when we get them hooked up, we're going to turn them on, we're going to get them situated at the right height, but we're not going to be able to test them out outside. Well, we can open the garage door and push it to the edge, see how they work out. All right, well, let's get the machine moved over into this area. Let's get these unboxed. I already got the tools and everything set up in here, so we're gonna get started. All right, so starting out, they do sell the mounting brackets for these lights. We'll get into the lights when we get to install. So step one is the mounting brackets. I don't know if you guys know this, but KC is super expensive. Like when I originally found these brackets, I didn't notice that they were sold in quantities of one, and with shipping they're $50 a piece. But they're super heavy duty composite something or another. You can see, yep, super heavy duty composite. And then these way super cool KC plates. They come with these nice hex head bolts with square nuts that go on them. So they basically have these little rubber, and in this case they're spacers, as well as padding and protection from vibration from the machine. And there's one that goes on each. These are sold in various sizes, I think up to 2.5 inch, and each bracket, like if this was this is 1.25 inch pipe outside diameter. If this was 1.5 inch, I wouldn't use these rubbers. I would just put it on the way it goes. But anyway, so we're going to put this right on the outside. I've measured it. If we were to put them on the inside, the lights would hit. They're pretty big lights. So we want to make sure that our KC label is at the not upside down like it was when I installed or looked at it the first time and was going to install it. So we take one of our square nuts, drop it down into this little slot right here, take our little screw. I can't wait to see how these work. Now we're not going to tighten these down all the way until we get them leveled out. get the lights on. Super simple. These KC lights are awesome. There was a tech named Thomas K, I believe, that I told him what I wanted. I wanted something that resembled the iconic 80s KC lights, round ones, and he sent me these, and just the looks of them make me was just like, thank you so much for doing such an amazing job in picking these out. I have numerous emails between me and Thomas picking these out, and he sent me all right, I guess we'll start with this one. Yeah, look at them guys, so amazing. They said they're race tested, such high quality lights. I think these are the best. These things are awesome. I'm going to leave these on for the installation process. So pretty simply, it's just in fact it's a 19mm bolt, or nut rather, with a washer, a lock washer, and then this big rubber spacer. And in fact, I'm gonna come over here to do this. I'm falling over everything. You drop this down. Oops. Let's do that again. You drop this down there. In fact, I should have tightened that a little bit. I will right now. But as I said, we're going to want to loosen them a little bit just so we can straighten them out. Anyway, the headlight, the adjustment is directly connected to the bolt that comes out of the bottom, the post. So when you tighten them, it basically tightens it down, so once you get them adjusted where you want them, you really lock them down. So I pick up on this, and as you can see, as I tighten, the wobble gets less and less. Now that's finger tight and the wobble's almost gone. Doesn't that look amazing? I think that looks so good. Okay, let's get, and this one I've already modified. I've already put these heat shrinked ends on so we can put them to our factory connectors. This side I have the wire wrapped up over here because I was going to run the wiring harness, so I tucked the wire away. But I have this fender off for fixing, and it's going to make it real easy to put that wiring back up. Alright, we're just going to snug these up. How do they look? They look really good, don't they, guys? Yeah, they do. I had to double check to make sure that I read it correctly, that the white was the same for low on this side, so we got the same everything, the same colors. Green is hot, so we'll hook that one to the red. I like to push with the other hand. There's that one. And then white. All right. Let's get you set up. Okay, let's check to see if these bad boys work. Oh, guess we gotta pop the covers off. That's a lot of light, isn't it, guys? It's almost like having a light bar. Oh man. Those things look amazing on the front of that. Don't they look amazing? Okay, let's see. Lights off. All right. Oh, I guess that's why we have to use the other than the fact that I got all the wiring backwards, let's give her a whirl. All right. Are we ready? On, off. They're so bright. Look at that, guys. Like, they are so bright. The camera doesn't do it justice. Let me show you how it looks. Let me turn all the lights off. Okay, here, let me show you how. That's how much light there is. They're that bright. Like, you can see the beam of light. Tell me that isn't amazing. All right, I'm gonna sit in it real quick and I'm gonna line these lights up where I like them. There. All right. All right, turn them off. One more look, guys. All right, folks, how about that? These lights are fantastic, aren't they? They're really going to help us out for night riding. I can't wait to ride, period. So hopefully this week, maybe even tomorrow. It's still Friday. Maybe tomorrow our jetting kit comes. If our jetting kit comes, it's on. I'm going to do the work, film the video. You guys let me know when you want to see it. So on that note, comment below. Give me a like. Please subscribe. help the channel grow. We got other projects in the mix, all Honda Odysseys. Everything is going to be fun. Don't forget Joe at oddatv.com. Don't forget, as I always say, squeak on over there, give him some love. He is a premier place for OEM and NOS, Honda Odyssey Fl350 and 350 parts. He's a Comet clutch distributor as well, and he has parts for other machines. So go ahead, go over there, check him out. Don't get left out. Joe's a great guy. Let him know Odyssey Life sent you. So I guess that's about it for this week, guys. Today we got the garage door open, the heater's off, and the sun's out. Tonight or tomorrow we're supposed to get 5 to 10 inches of snow. What do they say? March is in like a lion, out like a lamb, or is that April or May? I don't have any idea. So I guess until next week, guys, I'll be kicking back, hanging out, wishing, hoping, and praying that we get to ride this baby soon. So don't forget, hit like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week, guys. Later.